Yes, sir. It's your boy TC Talks. TC Fitness. Hold on. And I am here. Back at it again. I'm here. Back at it again with another video. Now, bruh. Today's video, there are a couple things that I do want to talk about beyond semen retention, beyond no fap. I want to talk about my birthday, of course, you know what I'm saying? I really did enjoy myself, I also want to talk about, the stock market. I want to talk about money. I want to talk about finances on this channel because, number one, anybody can invest into the stock market if you just start and you get out of your head. You know what I'm saying? You think that you got to have thousands of dollars to start in the stock market when you honestly don't. You know what I'm saying? Number two, I personally feel like the more that you talk about finances, the more comfortable you are with allowing the money to flow into your life. You can't be afraid to talk about money. How you expect to attract it into your life if you're afraid to talk about it? Don't make no sense. You feel me? And number three, I've been seeing a return on my investment. So it's only right that I try to help somebody out there in the world that might see it and say, oh, the proof is right there. Because I know a lot of people they want to see visually. You feel me? So before I start the video, if you guys already know, a huge shout outs to everybody retaining their life force energy. A huge shout outs to everybody on their no-fap journey. But like I said, I want to try to bring y'all, some different content. Feel me? Of course, the retention videos and no-fap videos is always coming. You feel me? But I want to bring y'all more, content that can help y'all out in your financial field. You feel me? As long as, as much as it's been helping me out. And I ain't, you feel me, a millionaire yet. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, I'm still trying to get to where I want to get to slowly but surely, bruh. It's slow and steady wins the race. But, first thing we're going to talk about, though, of course, is my birthday. Now, yesterday, if you didn't know, I turned 28 years old, 28 years young, you feel me? And I really did enjoy myself, I got to see my dad, which it really meant a lot to me, because I don't live with my dad, I just live with my mom and that's it. But just seeing my dad, I was happy, you feel me? I ain't gonna front. Shout outs to my pops. And, I did some Uber Eats, you feel me? Because it was only right, I had to feed people, made sure I got my workout in, gave y'all some content. I really enjoyed myself, you know what I'm saying? And then, later on in the day, I was able to spend time with my family members. I was able to spend time with my lady. It really meant a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? They sang me happy birthday. We had a cake. We ate some food. Good vibes, good energy, bruh. And I just be thankful, bruh. I be thankful for, the smallest things in life. I'm really a simple, simplistic person, bruh. Y'all see, bro, me, I'm not the type to, I'm not the flashy person. I need all of this. I need the jewelry. I need that to keep me happy. Nah, bruh. I'm happy with the most simplest things. You know what I'm saying? You could buy me a pair of socks, bro. Some Nike socks, and I'll be happy. You know what I'm saying? But yesterday, it really, truly, meant a lot. And it opened my eyes a little bit more. You always have people there for you. I always knew that, but, actions always speak louder than words, and the actions definitely spoke. You know what I'm saying? So huge shout outs to my mom. Huge shout outs to my brother, my sister. You know what I'm saying? My brother's girlfriend, Victoria. My lady Anna. A huge shout outs to everybody. You know what I'm saying? And a huge shout outs to the channel, bruh. Y'all sent the happy birthday wishes, and I appreciate y'all. this YouTube channel, bro, I be telling y'all it's gonna take off. It's gonna take off, true say. Now, alright, let me see. I had to talk about that first. Okay. Now, secondly, we're gonna talk about the stock market. You don't have to be this millionaire, this guru to talk about the stock market, bro. You don't have to have all the money in the world to talk about the stock market. You know what I'm saying? You honestly just have to, number one, I personally feel like if you're gonna talk about it, right? Because some people might show money with a demo account, but you gotta show it with your actual, money account, real life money, because people want to see how money works in real life, And you gotta be knowledgeable, You have to pay attention to not only just the stock that you're gonna invest into, but you gotta pay attention to, is the company a good company? You know? Because when you putting your money into the market, this is obviously money that you work very, very hard for. And you want a return on your investment. You know what I'm saying? So what I've been teaching myself is pay attention to the companies that people use on a day-to-day basis. Like, this world is very, very big, but you can't think so small-minded. This world is so abundant, bro. You feel me? There's 7 billion, probably 8 billion people in this world. You know? So there's people using these companies every single day, and you have the ability to be a shareholder. You know? Like, you don't need no, like, I just started. Let me just put that out there right now, bro. I just got back into the markets in May, and here we are in August, you know? And you're never too, like, there's no type of age range that you have to, oh, when should I start? Bro, just start. Like, just, there's no type of it's too late moment. All you gotta do is just start. You know, slow and steady wins the race. Look at it as, I'm gonna teach myself self-discipline, financial discipline. You know, I'm gonna teach myself how to save money and just see it work for me, whether the stock market is going up and down. Because what people love to do is panic when it's red. They love to panic when the stock market is going down, when that's the opportunities when you're supposed to be throwing a little money here and there. You know? One thing I want to share with y'all is the fact that you're able to purchase fractional shares, bro. You don't have to purchase the full stock. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of platforms that you can use, you know, to start your stock market journey. They got Robinhood. They got the Stash app. I personally use the Stash app. I will leave it in the description below. You know what I'm saying? They got TD Ameritrade. You know? They got all these apps that you can use and see how the markets work. You know? Every morning, I'm listening to, you know, Yahoo Finance to see how the market is going. I have the stock market app on my phone, the Yahoo Finance, so I'm looking at the markets. And right now, I'm looking at my computer monitor and I'm looking at the markets right now. So I'm gonna show y'all in this video the prices of some of the companies that I'm invested in right now. You know, we got Amazon, we got Apple, we got the S&P 500, you know, top 500 companies in the US, you feel me? That's tough. And then I'm gonna show y'all my return, you know, because like I said, like, I know people like to see proof, you know. Y'all have to view the video with a learning eye, you feel me? Like, you have to be willing to learn. Like, once again, bro, I'm just now starting. You feel me? There's plenty of people that's always gonna have more money invested into the market or more years, because it's about the time that you put into the market. You can't rush the market. You can't rush to get rich. That's not what it's about. It's slow and steady. You feel me? Once you save your first 100, you save your next 5. Once you save your next 500, then you get to 1,000, etc., bro. But I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, point period. And if y'all gained something from the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, bro. We here, bro. I'm just in the flow state with this video, bro. I love it. All right, hold on. All right, so currently, Amazon, as y'all can see, right? Amazon is pricing in right now at 140. It's probably gonna push up to 141, give or take, right? Which is not even a bad price. And on a day, it's only down a couple percent. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people gotta understand that when you see that the market is going down, bro, don't look at it as something that's bad. Stop looking at it as, oh, I'm losing my money. Look at it as an opportunity to get in, you know? We got Apple pricing in 164. You know what I'm saying? Y'all buy some fractional shares, you can own Apple. You know, we got the S&P 500. Like I told y'all, the top 500 companies in the market, bro. You know, 248. So it's always going to fluctuate from day to day. Now, I'm going to show y'all Amazon's 5-day chart, right? So the past 5 days, y'all already, as y'all can see, Amazon been fluctuating, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's been fluctuating a lot. But that's the good thing. You know, look, great prices to get in, 134. Boom, then we go up. Like, it's great prices to really get in if y'all just look at it in from an investor's perspective, you know? There's so many companies, bro, that people use on a day-to-day, you know what I'm saying? That y'all should just put y'all money into and allow it to work. But always pay attention to what the company brings to the table, you know? Like this company right here, Old Realty Income. This is a real estate stock. They pay every month, you know. Now, one thing I want to teach y'all, at least try to teach y'all, is the fact that when you're investing into a company, you always want to pay attention to if they're going to pay you a dividend, right? So a dividend basically is when the company pays you. You're investing into the company and the company pays you. So let me just show y'all my portfolio real quick. Like I told y'all, this is the stash app that I use. You know, shout outs to the stash app. And right now, I'm almost at 1,000, which is very, very great. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of myself for that. And I only got $866.19 invested, you know? And on today, this is just today, right? So overall, my portfolio is up $117. That's overall, you know? Because like I said, the market is going to fluctuate up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's constantly going to change. But these are my companies that I'm investing in, and these are my companies that I plan on holding on to long term. You know, we got Amazon. You feel me? Everybody uses Amazon, bro. People love Amazon. You know what I'm saying? So that's definitely one of the companies that I've been focusing on, because I'm like, all right, if people use Amazon on a day-to-day basis, I see these Amazon workers every single day when I'm out there doing Uber Eats. Why not invest into them? So as y'all can see, I'm up 26%, you know, at the time of this recording. Now with the Stash app, one thing I'm gonna tell y'all, a couple things I'm gonna tell y'all. One, they have 4 trading windows, okay? 4, that's it. 2, you cannot do day trades and all that, you know, trading and stuff. You can't do that with the Stash app, bro. It's just how you save your money and let it work for you. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see, right here, this is the amount that I have invested into Amazon, and this is the return so far, $67.55. Now, it went up a little bit higher the other day, but as y'all can see, the market is red today. So, of course, like I said, it's going to fluctuate. Right now, we holding in at 2.48 shares. Our average price is 113, you know, and it might get a little bit lower if Amazon prices down a little bit more, because I've been getting in more. But at the end of the day, if Amazon goes up more, then cool. We're going to make more money, you know. But I want to focus on my dollar cost average. That's one thing that you got to always stay focused on. Dollar cost averaging. You know what I'm saying? The more that you dollar cost average, look, I'm going to show you real life. See, 978. So like I said, the market is going down, you know. But the more that you dollar cost average, the better that it is. You know what I'm saying? Now we got Apple. We got the big dog Apple. Let me show y'all right quick. Now, as y'all can see, look, Apple pays a dividend, right? 23 cents per share. Last dividend paid was, you know, as y'all can see right there, May 12th, 2022. And I'm going to show y'all my position at Apple. So, it's not, you know, not that much money out here, coach. So, we got 245 invested. You know what I'm saying? Average price, 147.52. We're going to try to bring that down some more, but Apple been pricing up. So, right now, the value is at $273.31. So, we up $28.31. You know what I'm saying? And this is just like transparency, you know, like y'all can make money in the markets if you just don't sell your stock so fast, you know, like don't panic sell, just chill, just cool it. You feel me? Just cool it. Now, like I said, we got the S&P, right? We got the S&P 500, top 500 companies. Let me just show y'all. Look, top fund holders. We got Apple, we got Microsoft, we got Amazon, we got Google. All right, companies people use on a day-to-day basis. Once again, they're gonna pay you that dividend. They got 45 cents per share, right? They just paid out a dividend in June, and right now it's pricing in at a good price. Now you can always buy fractional shares, like I said earlier in the video. As y'all can see, for me right now, amount invested 141. Right? I don't even own a full share yet, but I soon own a full share because I just been buying fractional shares. That's it. So right now we only up $11.45. But watch when I get a full share, we're gonna be up more. You know what I'm saying? And just to show y'all like that they pay, you know, the dividend or whatever the case may be, just so that y'all see, like I'll be putting like $10 a day, $10 a day, $10 a day, whatever the case may be. But you see, I ain't invested into them since July, you know, so it's been some time. But y'all can see the dividend right there, you know, 19 cents, which ain't bad. Now, once I put more money into them, I'll get paid a full dividend. You feel me? As y'all can see, I don't got no money in my smart portfolio and my retirement portfolio because I'm just focused on long term, you know, right now. The Stash app does come with a card, so if y'all ever wanted to put y'all money on the, well, if y'all ever needed y'all money, it's just right on your card. You just gotta, order the card, whatever the case may be. We got Uber, we got Google, like I showed y'all before, and we got a couple other companies. We got Delicious Dividends. I only got a couple dollars in that. We got this ETF right here. I only got a couple dollars in that. Blah blah blah. And then we got AT&T and we got Coca-Cola. I only got a couple dollars in that. So I got to put more money into those companies. But I just wanted to show y'all just overall, like, if you allow your money to work for you, it will help you out long term, bro. Like I just said, I just started in May, right? Now, I haven't even put $1,000 yet into my account, but I soon do that. I soon get there. You know what I'm saying? And this is what it's about, bro. Let your money work for you and keep on building long term. Keep on building long term. Now, the reason why I showed you guys that is that, number one, like I said earlier in the video, you cannot be afraid to talk about money. Number two, I want people to just be more aware, because I know money is like a big stressor. But I've been telling myself, don't stress over money, right? Like, I do my Uber Eats. I make it so simple for myself. I do my Uber Eats. I make sure I pay myself, bro. That's the most important thing. You have to pay yourself first. You cannot be working and forgetting to pay yourself. Pay yourself. I save some money. Of course, you got to eat. You got to clothe yourself, things like that. You got to take care of bills, whatever. Cool. But then I make sure I put money away so that I know that it's working for me. No matter what I'm doing. I'm sleeping, it's working for me. I'm doing Uber Eats, it's still working for me. I'm doing a YouTube video, the money is working for me. So y'all gotta always have that mentality. And I high key wanna bring y'all along the journey, because this is what I've been creating for myself. And it might not look like a lot of money to a lot of people, you feel me? Like, oh, that's only, that's under $1,000. But number one, a lot of people are afraid to invest. Let's start with that. A lot of people are afraid to invest. Number two, once again, you can't be afraid to talk about money, no matter how much money you have. Everybody start from somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Everybody start from somewhere. You know what I'm saying? And number three, it's not about the amount that you have. It's about putting out the knowledge and helping people out and understanding that you're gonna always attract more money. Like, the more people that you help out, the more it's gonna always come back to you. So y'all have to not be afraid. Don't be afraid to take risk. I don't feel like you're gonna lose much. I'm gonna tell you right now, like, don't invest money that you're gonna need, like, right now, you feel me? That's why I be saying, save your money, make sure you got money for yourself, and allow the money to work for you, bro. Bro, I'm telling y'all, like, once you start putting the money to work, you're gonna get addicted to investing. I'm not talking about trading. I'm not talking about, I'm buying options and call options and puts. That's what other people do. I'm talking about just investing into the company and holding long term and becoming more of a investor instead of a consumer. So, and these are companies that people use on a day-to-day basis. But there's so many companies in the stock market. I just wanted this to be like let me get my feet wet with talking about finances, because why not just try? Like, why not just try, bro? People be afraid to talk about certain things. Just try. You know what I'm saying? But this is just the beginning of the journey, bro. Like I told y'all, man, the investment, experience is gonna continue to get better. I'm gonna continue to bring y'all along. The ups and the downs, the highs and the lows, just as transparent as I can be. You feel me? And just showing y'all, like, yo, it's possible, bro. Like, you can't sleep on yourself. It's possible. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all enjoyed the video, if y'all gained something from the video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I truly would appreciate that. Also, please make sure to leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys, think about the markets. Let me know if you ever started your experience, if you ever started your journey. And even if you haven't, what's holding you back? Because everybody got their own financial situations. but I want y'all to attract more money into your life because you gotta be open to receiving it, no matter how small and minor it may be. You just gotta be thankful. You feel me? But hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're all new to the channel. I truly appreciate all of y'all. Shout out to everybody retaining. Shout out to everybody on their no fab experience, man. We is here. And it's your boy TC Talks.